Okay, so I got the box open, and the first thing that you're going to see is going to be a quick start guide booklet, I guess, to get you started. I guess it comes with a protective cover for the screen, and the GPS itself looks like the case is already on it. So I'm guessing once I fire this thing up, it's going to go through its updates and probably be ready to go. I don't know how long that update's going to be, but I'll just connect it to my hotspot that I have in the truck. Underneath this box at the bottom is going to be all the mounts, I guess. All the different mounts. I guess this one's the one that goes on the dash or on the window, I guess. Either one. Oh, here's a magnetic strip that charges your battery. Your 12-volt DC power cord. Probably the one I'm going to be using. Oh, this is nice. This got the dash mount that you can use like they do on the back of the ones that already come with the truck. I guess if you want to install it that way, you can. I'm not going to do it that way because this is a company truck, so I'm not going to make any holes or screw anything on the dash. And another mount. I guess this one's the window. I'm not really sure. Either or. And your USB. Let me see. Oh, USB-C. Wow. Yeah, so they've updated. Now you don't have to use the old USB cable. So I'm guessing this is to transfer data from your computer to your GPS. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that's in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here, and the next time we come on, should be mounted, and we'll go through the features. All right, guys.